morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Vivekananda Swami, from grade 8 to lead today's morning assembly. As the sun has risen and the light has taken over the dark, I would like to call Akshit Birnare from grade 2nd to tell today's day and date.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shraddha. I am studying in 2nd standard. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Tuesday and today's date is 24th September 2024. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Akshit. A positive thought can make our whole day positive and give us motivation to achieve our success. So I would like to call Sharvil Patil from grade 3rd to tell today's thought of the day.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Shri Patil. I am studying in 3rd standard. Today I am going to tell today's thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is dream big but work hard to make your dreams a reality. Meaning, we should work hard to turn the dreams into reality. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Sharvil. A particular day has a specific history. History is our past. Without history, there is no present, no future. So, I would like to call Dada Sahib Rathod from grade 7 to tell today's history of the day.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Dada Sahib Rathod, standing before you to tell today's history of the day. First, World River Day to support ecosystem. Second, in 1948, Honda Motor Company is founded by Sir Honda. Third, it is in 1869, Black Friday in United States to stop hoarding of gold in US. Fourth, in 1769, first Supreme Court is established in US. Thank you and have a nice day again.
Thank you, Dada Sahib. These are the things by which we are able to know the social life of the people around us. So, I would like to call Aradhya Kirigosavi from grade 6 to tell today's news headlines.
Good morning everyone, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Aradhya Kirigosavi. Today I am going to tell you news headlines. First, PM Modi flags of 9 Vande Bharat Express trains. Second, Indian shooters and rowers won medals in Asian Games and more. Third, women-led development in Rajya Sabha. Fourth, Tamil Nadu CM congratulates Indian teams that won gold in 45th Fight Chess Olympiad. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Aradhya. Idioms are the clusters of words which makes our language attractive. So, I would like to call Rakshit Daima from grade 5 to tell today's idiom.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Rakshit from 5th standard. Today I am going to tell idiom. Today's idiom is on the job, meaning to be doing the work of job. Sentence, Shri is on the job of making block prints. Thank you and a good day ahead.
Thank you, Rakshit. Daily we should know a new word. So to tell today's new word, I would like to call Sonu Sendhi from grade 4.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Tambe, studying in class 4. Today I am going to tell vocabulary words. The vocabulary word is deafening. I repeat my word, deafening. I spell my word, DEAFENING. Its meaning is extremely loud. Sentence, the deafening sound of the crackers disturbs the little child. Thank you and have a good day ahead.
Thank you, Dalur. Today we are going to celebrate the birthday of Sarvajna Prawar from grade 2nd. So let us all wish him.
standard. Thank you everyone for celebrating my birthday in Shraddha School of Excellence. Thank you. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarvajya. Now it's time to wrap up our assembly. So I declare that today's assembly is over. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.